ingredients. Turn your stove to medium and pour in all the heavy whipping cream. Once heavy whipping cream are all in, continue to heat on medium heat until the heavy whipping cream is hot, but not to a boiling point. After 5 minutes, check to see if the heavy whipping cream is hot. If it is, go ahead and pour in all your chocolate chunks. Once all the chocolates are in, continue to stir until the chocolate chunks melt into the heavy whipping cream. Chocolate has melted completely into the heavy whipping cream, you can then go ahead and add in your chunks of cold butter into the mixture. The mixture will look a little bit runny, but don't worry about it. Continue to stir until the butter has melted into the mixture completely. And once the butter has melted into the mixture completely, you can go ahead and put a lid over it or just use saran wrap and cover it up and leave in the fridge for about 4 hours or overnight. It has been 4 hours and the chocolate ganache is ready. Now you can transfer it into a piping bag. once the chocolate ganache has been transferred completely, you can go ahead and start filling your macaron shells. And once they're done filling, leave them in the fridge for 24 hours to mature, and you can serve them after 24 hours.